Hello, I'm Mark Deshane. For the last 27 years, I've helped people just like you with their health insurance. This year, more than ever, I'm getting calls from concerned people furious about rate increases or flat out being canceled by the Affordable Care Act known as Obamacare. This year has lost 3 major health insurers. Assurant Health, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas has left the PPO market, and even Humana has announced cancellations of policies. The market choices are shrinking, and the prices are going up. So what is a healthy family like you to do? That's why we created the Real Life Pyramid. I've created 5 protections that I'll show you in about the next 5 minutes that'll save you 50% off Obamacare and better protect and position your family for the day that something bad happens to you. So let's take a look. The first coverage, of course, is real health insurance. Health insurance the way it used to be back before you got chemical dependency, alcohol, drug abuse, mental health, and maternity forced in your plan, raising your rates for protections you won't even use. The major difference is that with a short term, you must repurchase a plan every year. That's why they call it a short-term medical. With Obamacare rates going up 30 to 50% a year anyways, you're repurchasing your plan every year. The trick with the short term is we synchronize it with the open enrollment period of Obamacare. So that way, if you do get sick and you don't requalify for your short term next year, the very next heartbeat, you'll be back in Obamacare. But if and only if you get sick, and only for that family member who has the serious pre-existing condition. The second protection is a living benefits plan. You see, your health insurance covers your doctors and hospital bills, but who takes care of your personal bills? If you're flat on your back and not working for a year, you've got a financial problem, and you could end up in medical bankruptcy. We've created an artificial piggy bank. It's a term life insurance policy that allows you to accelerate up to 95% of the face amount and trade that in for an immediate check. Point blank, it's life insurance you don't have to die to collect on. If you get a cognitive loss such as dementia, you have a physical disability that requires the assistance of 2 activities of daily living, such as bathing and grooming and dressing, you get the idea. It has the same triggers as a long-term care policy, except you don't need to be committed to a nursing home to collect. Or if you have a critical illness like a heart attack, stroke, or cancer, you get to raid the piggy bank, so to speak. And again, you get up to 95% of the face amount of your life insurance policy immediately, so you can financially survive. The third protection is an accident policy that pays your out-of-pocket expenses down to a $250 deductible. So that way you don't have to worry about running little Johnny down for his broken arm, or if daughter falls off her skateboard and needs stitches. You've got that. The fourth protection is geared towards inpatient hospitalizations. Let's say you get pneumonia, your wife needs a hysterectomy. The plan pays you up to $900 a day, up to 30 days in cash. The longer you're in there, the bigger your bill, the more cash you get. It pays up to $27,000 for each member of your family. That way your out-of-pocket can be greatly reduced or completely eliminated. The fifth protection is taking care of your pearly whites. Part of a healthy body is a healthy smile, and making sure you go to the dentist twice a year to have your checkups and get your teeth cleaned, take care of those cavities is very important. I want to make sure you're covered so you don't skip your visits. So let me recap what you get. You get real health insurance at an affordable rate like it used to be to take care of your doctors and hospital bills. The adults get a living benefits plan that acts like an artificial piggy bank that you can rate if you have a mental or physical impediment, such as a critical illness, heart attack, stroke, cancer. That way you get a fat check to tide you over until you can get back on your feet and back to work. If you have an accident policy also to eliminate your deductible on your health plan. You get a hospital recovery policy to do the same if you're admitted to the hospital. And you'll have dental coverage. That's what I call my real life pyramid. And you get all 5 of those protections. The healthy family will get them for about 50% off the cost of Obamacare. Yes, it's real insurance. Yes, you can afford it. Yes, it's legal. And yes, it's really the only alternative for a healthy family. Bank on your good health. Better protect your family for a catastrophic event. Better protect your family for a boo-boo. Get reimbursed all or part of your deductible for a regular hospitalization. Save 50% over the cost of Obamacare. That could amount to over $5,000 a year just by opting out. Enroll in my real-life pyramid featuring these 5 protections. The average family of 4's premium is between $500 and $600 a month. Now there's one of 3 things you can do. Learn more by watching my detailed video over here. Click on that. You can apply online or simply give us a call to enroll by phone. Thank you for your time, and do what I did, get the real-life protection pyramid.